Hi folks, welcome to Lamarque Crescent City Ford, right here in beautiful Harahan, Louisiana. My name's Eric Kendrick, and today we're gonna be showcasing this IMT Dominator. Man, let me tell you, I got some good stuff to show you today. Now on these Dominators by IMT, whether you want a MIG welder or if you need aluminum welder, man, I can add it to this crane. It makes it very easy. Now the Dominator also gives you different shelving, so I can add a drawer system in here too as well. These, I do have all these compartments lighted on it, so they use LED lights to brighten up this so you can see where your tools are or your parts. This is where you control your outriggers, your hose reel out of the back. Everything's all nice and dialed in. I love how IMT makes their remotes. It's so user friendly. To me, it's one of my favorites. Wherever you may need to put this thing, it's out of the way. These guys that are in these trucks all the time, they like creature comfort, so I like to put the 400-watt inverter in here as well and give you a couple of different 12-volt outlet ports. You can work straight from the truck. Guys, whether you want this truck in regular cab, extended cab, or crew, let me build the right truck for you. My name's Eric Kendrick, and I want to thank you for your time.